In this video, I'm going to show you how to create passive income with ease, okay? I do about $30,000 plus in this one company, and I'm just going to show you exactly how to do it. Is that cool? Check it out. So, I created a time ago, okay, called fatdiminisher.com, okay? Let's go to fatdiminisher.com. Now, understand this. Step number one. You have to first create a product online, right? Because this is passive income, all right? Now, if you need help creating a product, I have a course that I teach people how to do it, and it's a no bullshit course, okay? Just basically show you step by step how I create many online ebooks. I just create ebooks, and I sell millions of dollars every year of stuff like this. And believe me, anybody can do this. It's so simple. And other marketers, they make it very complicated, but I make it very simple. Okay? If you want simple, hit the like button, of course. All right, listen. So, before I was struggling, I was like, man, I need to make money. So, I discovered that a lot of people on the planet are overweight, so I created a product called Fat Diminisher. I just created this product. You know what's so funny? I got the name from a thesaurus. I went to the thesaurus, I typed in weight loss, it popped up, and I bought the domain. 30 days later, I made $1 million. True story, by the way. Here. This is a VSL, and does very well. And the VSL is called a video sales letter, okay? I know if I'm moving too fast, you might say, Wesley, what is up? Now listen, first thing you got to do is create a product online. It is not hard to do that. You can do it by yourself. You can just model another product, right? You can go to .com or go to clickbank.com, find a product that you want to model, right? Not copy, but model, and do it yourself and create it. But if you want me to show you how to do it, I have a course in the description below called Online Millionaire Mastery. Listen, you don't have to get it, but if you do, it's up to you. All right, so if somebody watches this and they buy it, this is what happens. That's why I make the money on autopilot here. Okay? So say if someone watches, they say, okay, so I'm going to lose weight because I'm fat, right? I want to lose some pounds with you. They go to my thank you page. And now they have to download the ebook, okay? See here? Can everybody see this? Guys, if you can hear me, say, Wesley, I can hear you. Just like or comment below. And by the way, I always look at the comments, so the more that you comment, I do look at this stuff all the time, okay? So, this is where the magic is. Most internet marketers, when they create products online, they'll probably make a lot of money, but eventually these products stop making money, right? Because everybody has bought it. I've had about 500,000 people over the past 3 years buy this product, right? Of course, it made me a lot of money. It made me like a multi-millionaire. But even today, I still make money. Let me show you how. If I open up this ebook here, okay? And listen, I'm not a smart man, I swear to God. Like, I dropped out of college. I had bad grades in high school. But one thing I know how to do well is market products online, okay? So, listen, whenever you write a book or an ebook, and this is what I recommend if you're brand new on the internet, and once you start to learn how to market it, I teach you how to market a product in Online Millionaire Mastery. Now I'll leave a link in the bio below. Listen, whenever you recommend a product in your book, let me show you what I did here. Now, think about it. If you have millions of people or thousands of people per day that's buying this book, and you recommend something in the book, you got to get paid for it. Does that make sense? You got to get paid for it. You see that when it says let it green? So when someone clicks on that, okay, it goes here. See? It goes here. Now let me show you something. Show how many people bought this over the year. This is my Athletic Greens account. Let me log out to make sure you guys know I'm being honest here. I'm gonna log in. I've had this for a couple of years now, and I still get paid. So let's look at the reports from that's last day's $9,000. Let's go back last year. How much money I made last year? $36,000. I can go back to 2018. But let's see this month how much money I made here. See, $30,000. I mean, not too bad, right? Not too bad. But the thing about this is I haven't did anything, right? Listen, I created the book. I wrote a book one time. And it still pays me $30,000 a month. I created Fat Diminisher 4 to 5 years ago. This is why I have so many cars. If you know who I am, like go to Wesley Virgin on IG, on Instagram, and you see all my cars I bought. It's stupid. But I just have so much money because I'm making money passively. Listen, okay? Before you write the book, okay, because everybody can do this. I know what you're thinking, Wesley, how do I write a book? Write this down. Model, okay? Model what's working. You know, I'm going to give you a freebie. If I deserve your like right now, let me give you a freebie right now, okay? Hit the like button. I'm going to give you something that everybody's going to be pissed at me, but who cares? I want you to get rich. Look at this. Go to clickbank.com. This is what I did as an internet marketer, by the way. Marketer would ever share this because they know it works, and they don't want to tell you to do it. They're going to shame you. They're going to say, don't copy people's stuff. It's bullshit. That's what everybody does. Okay? Look at this. I'm going to log in. Say if you're getting ready to create your own product, right? You go to Marketplace on clickbank.com. Here. You guys are going to give me a like for this one. I already know. Look at that. A little magnifying glass there. You see all these products right here? They're making money. First, you click on it. You buy the product. You see this? This is sell. You basically just model everything, okay? You model the VSL, you model the upsells, and when you buy the product, you model the ebook. Listen, listen to me here. There's no new information under the sun. Almost everything online is just a regurgitation of something else. It is what it is. Think about it. Bank of America, Chase, McDonald's, Burger King, a chair, a rocking chair. It's all the same thing. So listen, if you want to make money passively, make it fast. First, create an ebook. I will help you in a course called Online Millionaire Mastery in the description below. But really, you can do it by yourself. You don't need my course today, right now. You can just model another product that's very successful. Just look at all the advertisements that you're getting. If you keep seeing that ad, that means that that product is working. Model it, okay? Model everything. Don't copy, but model. Make sense? Okay? And that's it. And make sure when you write the book, whenever you refer something or recommend something, make sure that you use affiliate link, okay? See, in my book, I recommend Athletic Greens. So Athletic Greens, I have nothing to deal with Athletic Greens as far as they send me a paycheck every single month for $30,000. I don't ship products. I don't even know how many people buy the product. All I know is every month I get $30,000 passively for the past 5 years. Now, if you can do this right now, I want you to hit the like button. If this made perfect sense, I want you to hit the like and share button. Now, if you're going to take action like right now, write a book. I want you to write a book tonight. Just model something that's working. Listen, look at me. I'm not smart. Obviously, look, I'm knocking in my bag. Who does that on video? This video is not professional. This video is just stupid and insane. But yet, I make a ton of money passively by using exactly what I just gave you that most marketers, they will charge you for. So if I don't deserve a like for that, I don't know what else. You know what I mean? I mean, this is the truth. Listen, if you need any help, comment below. If you need some assistance to learn how to create a product faster, in the description I left a link to Online Millionaire Mastery. That program has helped a lot of people who are brand new, who are trying to take a conventional business, bring it online, or if you just hate your job and you want to create something. I show you just secrets and behind the scenes stuff that, well, other marketers are not going to show you. But guess what, Wesley? I'm the outlier, and I am going to show it to you right now. Hey guys, this is Wesley Virgin. Thank you so much. Hey, if I deserve a like, give me a like. Now, if I don't deserve a like, then it's all good. Maybe because my hair is a little nappy right now. Hey, I love you. Hey, stay tuned for the next video because it's going to be powerful. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Go get paid, baby. Let's go.